Let's make one of my favorite macrame knots, the wrapping knot. It's a wonderful way to finish up projects like plant hangers, and it's very simple to do. You need a length of cord that's about 12 to 18 inches long, and you're going to lay its edge up against your work this way, and you're going to make a loop in the bottom. So you're going to have a short tail, a long tail, and a loop. And you're going to grab that long tail and you're going to start wrapping clockwise from top to bottom around everything that is in your left hand. All of your work goes in your left hand and your wrapping cord goes in the right hand. And again, wrapping from top to bottom clockwise. Now you have a short tail, your long tail, and your loop. And you're going to place that long tail through your loop. Here's the magic. You grab the short tail and pull straight up, and it secures the wrapping knot. Wow, right? At this point, you can come in with a pair of scissors and trim the short tail and the long tail as close to the knot as you can cut. That's it. Beautiful work.